Hi you guys, my name is Olivia and today I want to share my story on how I made over 96K on Etsy. Okay, so basically, where do I start? So basically, signed up for Etsy. First off, before I even got on Etsy, I believe I was on Poshmark. It wasn't really working for me. Sold clothes, but it wasn't bringing in the amount of money that I wanted basically. So I discovered Etsy for the first time, and then I tried them out, but I didn't know where to start, what to do, what to sell, because there was an overwhelming collection of things that you could sell on there, or a variety of things that you could sell on there. So long story short, I first started off on Etsy selling handmade bags, handbags or traveling bags, whatever you want to call them. I started off with handmade bags, and then that didn't work out, so I moved on to baby boppy covers, handmade baby boppy covers. But then the turnaround time for those was entirely too long. Well, in my case, the vendor that I was getting my fabric from, it was taking too long. So then I moved on. Yes, I bounced around a lot. Actually, my husband started, he started doing shirts, and I think he was gonna sell them on Poshmark, but then he backed out at the last minute. So then I was like, well, he has the material already, and I know how to do it already, so try shirts. Set up an account with our local wholesaler shirt place right around the corner, and then looked up all the materials that I needed for the shirts and started selling shirts. And my first month, I made over $3,000, and that was the most I ever made in 1 month. Okay, I came from a regular 9-to-5 job. I worked, I don't know if I should say where I worked, let's bump it. I worked at Sam's Club. So I didn't make that much there. So that was my first month of making 3K. Needless to say, I was very happy about it. And then I kept it going that was towards the end of the year. So in the beginning of the next year, yeah, I kept it going. Made sure I got my orders out on time, built up good reviews, and I guess, in return, that gave me more sales. I went through trial and error with my photo quality. Over time got better and better. You have to start from somewhere. So I did build up the quality of my photos, and that probably has something to do with my success over time. And I read up more on what to do to get more sales. What can I improve on, because basically, the money was good and I wanted it to increase, or anything that I could do to increase that level of money or income, I was willing to do it. So yeah, and then that whole year, a year later, with my first year with being with Etsy, I made over 96K. And if you want the proof, here's the proof right here. Okay, of course I had to black out some things, but this is the proof. And yeah, in this year, I am projected to make at least 6 figures off of Etsy. So, excuse me, I'm not complaining. So yeah, and it has allowed us to move into a new place. Nice, nice area. So I'm blessed. I mean, it's great. And if you want to open your very own Etsy shop, you can go ahead and click the link below. I'll put a link in the description below, and give you a printout, or you can just download it on your computer and leave it on your computer. But you can download it, print it out, whatever you want to do, and it'll tell you step by step how to set up your very own Etsy shop. So that's it, and that's how I made over 96K. And I'll talk to you guys later in the next video.